Hey everyone, I'm Christy and my ice bath water is really gross, so I'm going to empty that out, clean the chest freezer, and take a cold plunge in the yard. Why not, right? Let's do it. Apparently, on the last update for iPhone, they changed so that when you're listening to music, you can record at the same time. Yay. I am losing sunlight quickly. Unfortunately, the cleaning process takes quite a while, usually about an hour and a half, and the sump pump wasn't working for this one, so it took extra long, but let's get in our cold plunge and hang out for about 3 minutes and get it done. It is, oh my gosh. Brr. Our water in here, is 46 according to our whale. Okay, so we're counting down the last 60 cold plunges of 2024, and today is cold plunge 337. From my mystery punch board thingy mabob, I got a picture from 2021, and it is a picture of my kitty cats. The white one is Pete, the gray one in the box is Lola, and they are both my sweet babies and I love them so, so much. So thought I would share a picture of my kitties, my indoor kitty cats today. That's it, we are done. That's the cold plunge. I am going inside and getting a shower. So thank you for watching. I will be back tomorrow with another cold plunge and I will see you then. Bye.